Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use layers and overlays in VN Video Editor. Using layers and overlays in VN Video Editor allow you to add multiple elements such as text, images, videos, and also effects to your projects. And this will enhance your video by combining different visual elements. And through this video, I'm going to show you a guide to help you get started. So layers let you add multiple visual elements on top of your main video track. You can add image, video clips, audio, or text as layers. So you can add layer by open the VN video editor and create a new project or open an existing one. Here, for example, I'm going to just open my existing projects like this. And so here you can import the video if you create a new one. So to add layer such as text, image, audio, or video, you can just tap on the here the options. You can add text if you want to add text as layer, or you can also add this one if you want to add photos, stickers, or maybe videos to your video. So you can just choose which one. For example, I'm going to add stickers in here as the layer. You can tap on the sticker option and then choose the sticker that you want. So select the media you want to add and it will be appear as a layer above your main video. For example, I'm going to just add this. Okay, this one, the like it sticker. You can see it will appear at the top of your video. Here you can resize it, move, or reposition it whenever you want, like this. And you can also use actually you can overlays your videos, such as using images, video, or effects on top of your main video. So you can just here at in your main video, you can just tap the overlay that you want. For example, here I'm going to add an image as overlay. You can tap on photos. Here I'm going to just use one. Okay, let's just add videos as a D overlay and choose the overlay that you want. Let's say I want to use this overlays right here. You can resize it. So this is like the glitch overlay. I'm going to just enlarge it, and here to make it blend, you can find the blending options and choose the mode that you want. I'm going to just go with the lighten, and this is how it looked like. You can adjust the opacity, or also if you want to, there's this opacity, and you can adjust the start and end points of the overlay by dragging the edges, and you can also move it to where you want to, like this. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.